Let us now continue with the topic of variation. So far, we have seen that there are two types of variation. We have seen direct variation, both the quantities increase or they decrease. We have seen that in direct variation, there are 5 steps. 5 steps कौन से थे? First step, write the symbolic form. Step number 2, write the equal to form. Third step में is to find the value of k. We get the equation of variation. And after getting the equation of variation, solve करने का आता है अपने को equation. Let's continue with the same topic. There are a few more questions which are supposed to solve. 7.1, question number 4 is actually omitted. Cancel this question. This question will not be part of your syllabus. 7.1, 5. बोला है why directly varies या varies directly. मतलब क्या हो गया ये? Which variation? हाँ, this is direct variation. If the question is of direct variation, we have to write a symbolic form. Now before you read the question properly, why varies बराबर लिखा है, लेकिन directly के बाद it is given square root of x. It means what? Second quantity is not x. First quantity is y. Second quantity में x के साथ square root भी लिखना है. How will you put the square root? Let us see properly. Y varies directly as square root of x. So we can write y alpha for symbolic form. Yeah, alpha. But here I'm not supposed to write x. I'm supposed to write square root of x. मतलब x को तो लिखना है, but inside a root sign. So how will I write? Root x. Are you clear with this? So this statement says square root of x. Hence the reason there was square root of x. In place of square root, if it was cube root, you would written cube root and then x. Okay, so they might ask you square root, cube root, and sometimes they just give you square. समझो ऐसा लिखा होता, that square of x. तो क्या आता? You would written x square. Are you clear with this? ठीक है, तो symbolic form कैसे लिखना है उसके लिए statement you have to read carefully. Then y alpha in place of x square root of x, that is why it is given as root x. I hope you are clear with this. Going further, अभी याद रखना जहाँ जहाँ पे x है ना उसके ऊपर अपने को रूट लिखना है सेकंड क्वांटिटी. ठीक है, so what do you do in second step? D for direct and D for divide. Now divide what by what? First quantity by second quantity. My first quantity is y, so D for divide में y आएगा पहले. Divide by second quantity is not x. Second quantity is root of x. So I'll write y upon root of x, that is root x, is equal to क्या होता है? That is k. K is the constant of variation. So what is the difference here? In place of x as the second quantity, we are supposed to write root x. That's the only difference, right? Okay. Third step, remember value of k. How can you find the value of letter k? उसके लिए we are supposed to write how much is given to us? What is the value of y? Let us substitute the value, but before you divide, remember which quantity by which quantity. So you can tell me 60 will be the numerator or 24 will be the numerator. First quantity, na? So y, matlab 24 will be going in the numerator. Are you clear? Divide by, it was already root x. So I'm not supposed to add 16 there. Perfect. in place of x, I am supposed to write 16. So in place of root x, square root of 16 is equal to, what is it? K. This is the substitution. Now remember, how can we solve root x? Root 16 we have already seen. What is the answer of root 16? Which number is the square root of 16? So I can say 24 divided by square root of 16 by 24 upon 4 is equal to k. Solve करेंगे तो we can cancel by 4. 4 1 जा and 4 6 जा. एक आंसर कितना मिला अपने को? 6. K is the value of k is 6. Now I've got the third step correct. What is they asking us? Constant of variation. How can we write? Perfect. We take value of k, that is 6, put it in the main equation. The first division यहाँ पे start किया था, equal to form वाला. तो क्या लिखना चाहिए? y upon root x is equal to 6 आएगा. Okay. Now to just the framing proper होने के लिए denominator will go on the right hand side, multiplication. So it will become what? तो क्या आएगा आंसर? 6 root x. Y is equal to, this is my equation. Very clear with this? Okay. Let us continue from here. This question is done this much. Model number 6, 7.1. It is saying that total remuneration paid to laborers. Now the word remuneration matlab salary. Matlab there is some amount of money to the laborers. Now laborers matlab workers. Now workers को कुछ काम के लिए हायर किए हैं. वो काम है सोयाबीन. Direct variation. It is given here. There are two quantities. One is the number of laborers. Second is the amount which is paid to them. Now you can see it is given to us that in the next step, the remuneration of 4 laborers. Matlab if there are 4 laborers, 4 workers were doing the job, then the total amount, total money or total salary that will be paid to them is rupees 1000. And they're asking us are 17, then find the remuneration. तो वो कितना रहेगा? They're asking us. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले तो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन दिया है. इट्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट हिंट. बट व्हाट इज मिसिंग हियर is the variables. We know that there is comparison between number of laborers but not given, so we'll define them. हम लोग रेमुनरेशन को आर बोल सकते हैं सिंप्लिसिटी के लिए. तो आई कैन से लेट द रेमुनरेशन laborers be denoted as R. तो R stands for what? द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी विच विल बी पेड टू देम। सेकेंड लेटर को डिफाइन करते हैं। लेबरर्स को यू कैन गेस, लेबरर्स को तो वी कैन द नंबर ऑफ laborers will be denoted by letter L. Now this is the first step. In any equation, if it is not given that these are the two variables, these are the two symbols, सबसे पहला काम आपने को ये करना है that we will define the letters कि किसको क्या बोलना चाहिए। तो याद रखना, in this question the amount or the remuneration जो सैलरी वर्कर को पे होने वाला है that will be R and the number of laborers will be called as L. तो सिंगल लेटर दोनों को डिफाइन कर दिया। अभी जरा चेक करो, since it is given as direct variation, I can see that R and L are in direct variation. अब यहाँ से अपना चालू होता है सम। How many steps? First step क्या लिखोगे? Perfect, symbolic form, very good. Let us start. R alpha L, R alpha L, right है? Okay. Next step, equal to form. Equal to form में which variation is this? Direct variation. D for direct and D for divide. तो करते divide. R upon L is equal to, ये हो गया फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी बाय सेकंड क्वांटिटी। इसमें कुछ स्क्वायर रूट वगैरह नहीं है, तो ओनली सिंपली फर्स्ट बाय सेकंड इक्वल टू विच लेटर? K. K is the constant of variation. तो we write this much. अभी क्या करना है? सेकंड स्टेप के बाद we are supposed to find the value of K. Now read the question carefully. To get the value of K, are we given a statement जहाँ पे लिखा है that so and so laborers paid so and so money? ऐसा कैसे लिखा है क्या? In the question, is there any information about how many laborers are paid how much rupees? हाँ, it is given, right? है ना, बोला है देखो, 4 laborers are paid ₹1000 as remuneration. तो मुझे बताना L मतलब नंबर ऑफ लेबरर्स विल बी इक्वल टू कितना? 4 या तो द नंबर ऑफ लेबरर्स, तो L का वैल्यू 4, तो फिर 1000 क्या हो जाएगा? यस, वैल्यू ऑफ R इज 1000. क्या करना है नेक्स्ट स्टेप में? सब्स्टिट्यूट. चेक करो, न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिवाइड बाय 4. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. कैलकुलेशन करो. टेल मी, check your answer now. 4 से if you divide 1000, it will be very simple. 250 आ जाएगा आंसर, होल नंबर. ओके, perfect. तो दिस इज माय स्टेप नंबर 3. I got the value of K. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में this value of K as 250 I'm supposed to put in the main step जहाँ पे हम divide once again. R upon L, how much it was? K. Okay, 250. Perfect. Equal to 250. Now if R upon L is equal to 250, that multiply if I shift on the right hand side. So R is equal to 250 times L. This is my equation of variation as you can see. Step number 4 भी हो गया. Now let us check. Are we supposed to solve this equation further? Okay, so they're asking us what? Find the remuneration. मतलब R find करना है कि L find करना है? Remuneration मतलब R. I'm supposed to find the value of R. Okay. What is the 17 given to us? 17 is a number of, perfect. L how much value? 17. Tell me 250 and 17 उन दोनों के बीच में which sign you will put? Perfect. तो I'm going to put multiplication sign, है ना? चलो करें. तो we're writing L equal to 17 to find R equal to question mark. R के जगह पे R, in place of L I'm going to write into 17. तो ये आ गया into 17. To this calculation. So R is equal to how much? You can check the answer will be of this two multiplication 4250, बट ये रुपीज में होना चाहिए आंसर. तो इसको हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे एज अ स्टेटमेंट. फाइनली वी लाइक द रेम्युनरेशन ऑफ 70 laborers is rupees 4250. So that's the first question. इसको हम लोग बोलेंगे इट्स अ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. इन द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम दे विल नॉट गिव यू द लेटर्स, है ना, वेरिएबल्स नहीं देंगे, बट द इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी क्लियर कि डायरेक्ट है कि इनवर्स है, राइट. तो हम लोग सेम ही क्वेश्चन किया. रिमेंबर इन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम लास्ट में वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट द आंसर इन अ स्टेटमेंट. तो वो भी वर्बल स्टेटमेंट होना चाहिए. तो क्या हो गया वो? द रेम्युनरेशन ऑफ 70 लेबर